Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Raya Bendie-Brite folding ring light. The Raya Bendie-Brite is a USB-powered ring light. It has touch-sensitive controls and folds into a compact size. The Bendie-Brite has a USB mini and a USB-A cable that can be powered from a power bank or plugged into a computer or power adapter. The most exciting part of this product is its touch-sensitive controls that allow quick adjustment of the color temperature from a warm 2700 Kelvin to daylight 5600 Kelvin. You can also control dimming from light to dark, and of course, you can power it off. Lastly, the phone arm lets you position your camera in the center, and the ball head gives you a way to adjust more precise swivel and tilt. Thanks for watching. When it comes to quality lighting that meets your budget, Raya is your solution.